Does she think highly of you? Here are the 9 unmistakable signs a woman deeply respects you. Sign 1. She seeks his advice and values his perspective. Does she ask for your take on important topics? Like when your friends debate current events or personal finance? If a woman values your perspective and seeks your advice, it means she respects your opinions. For example, you're all hanging out and the conversation turns to a controversial news story. Instead of just going along with the loudest view, she stops and says, "But what do you think about this?" When a woman defers to you for input, it demonstrates the high regard she has for your judgment. She wouldn't ask if she didn't genuinely want to know your thoughts. Seeking out a man's advice shows she respects his experience and ability to offer insightful viewpoints. It's a sign of respect beyond just polite conversation. If this happens to you, don't underestimate how highly she thinks of you. Sign 2. She remembers and acknowledges important details about his life. Does she remember little details about your life that most people wouldn't notice? Like your favorite snack, weird phobias, or that you played basketball in high school? If a girl pays that much attention and recalls those small personal factoids, it demonstrates a level of care and respect. She actually listens when you speak instead of tuning you out. It means she values you enough to commit those minor things about you to memory. She sees you as worth that mental energy and effort. For a female friend to cling onto the nitty-gritty deets of your backstory shows she finds you interesting and worthwhile as an individual. She respects you enough to retain those pieces of information that make you uniquely you. When the ladies in your life stay tapped into the minutiae of your world, take it as a major sign they think you're an awesome, respectable guy. Sign 3. She proudly introduces and compliments him to others. Have you noticed her proudly introducing you to others and highlighting your positive qualities? This is a clear sign she thinks very highly of you. For instance, when meeting her friends or colleagues, she may say, "This is John. He's incredibly smart and just got that big promotion at work." Or if with family, she may say, "You should hear John's insights on the economy. He really knows his stuff." A woman only brags about a man's achievements and talents when she genuinely respects and admires him. She wants others to recognize his impressive traits too. It's her way of advocating for the high opinion she has of him. By boasting and complimenting you in front of her innermost circle, she's staking her own reputation on the great esteem she holds you in. Sign 4. She maintains engaged eye contact during conversations. Does she make consistent eye contact when you converse? Maintaining engaged eye contact is a subtle yet unmistakable sign of respect. When a woman looks you squarely in the eyes, it shows she's fully present and attentive. Your views command her undivided focus. She's not glazing over or letting her eyes wander, a clear indicator she doesn't find you important enough to concentrate on. Steady eye contact means you have her complete regard. This simple non-verbal cue is a profound display of respect. If she locks eyes intently during your interactions, don't overlook that powerful endorsement. It means she's hanging on your every word because she respects what you say. By holding your gaze, she non-verbally communicates the high esteem she has for you as a man worth listening to attentively. Maintaining strong eye contact is a huge sign of respect. Sign 5. She genuinely enjoys his humor and laughs at his jokes. You know she really digs you if she totally gets your sense of humor. Like when you crack a stupid joke about dad bods or fart noises, and she's cracking up just as hard as the boys. That's a clear sign the lady friend has mad respect for you as a person. She's not just fake laughing to flirt or be polite. She genuinely finds you hilarious and enjoys your company enough to let her guard down and laugh freely. Her laughing at even your lamest jokes means she's fully comfortable around you. She sees your funny side and appreciates your personality, not just your looks or status. For a girl to think a man's humor is on point shows she rates him highly as an entertaining, chill guy to hang around. Sign 6. She supports and encourages his goals and endeavors. Does she consistently hype you up and have your back? Like if you're working towards a big goal or passion project, she's one of your biggest supporters. That's an awesome sign she respects you a ton. When a girl actively encourages and roots for your dreams and ambitions, it means she legitimately believes in your abilities. She sees your drive and potential, so she's firmly in your corner. She'll gas you up, check in on your progress, and maybe even lend a hand along the way. It's her way of showing you mad respect for chasing your hustle. Having a girl who vocally champions your grind and success is a clear indicator she thinks you're a high-quality dude worth investing in. It's the kind of uplifting cheerleader energy you would want from a lady in your life. Sign 7. She trusts him with important tasks and responsibilities. When a girl trusts you with important tasks or responsibilities, it's a huge sign of respect. Like if she asks you to dog-sit her precious pup for a weekend or put you in charge of a work project, that means she views you as a reliable, capable dude who can handle big duties. She's willing to make you accountable for something meaningful because she firmly believes you'll follow through. Letting a guy take care of prized possessions or be a key player shows she has major faith in your skills and integrity. She knows you'll take it just as seriously as she would. For a female friend to entrust you with crucial jobs is basically the highest form of platonic praise. She's saying, "I respect you and know I can count on you." That's an incredibly flattering gesture from one of the ladies in your circle. Sign 8. She stands up for him against unfair criticism. A rock-solid way to know if a girl respects you, she'll go to bat for you if someone talks smack. Like if you're getting unfairly roasted or criticized, she'll step in and have your back. She'll shut down the haters and set the record straight about what an upstanding dude you are. Having a female friend defending your honor shows she genuinely values you. She's not just gonna let people drag your name through the mud unchecked. Her sticking up for you confirms she sees the real you, all your respectable qualities that make you a catch as a friend or person. She wants to protect that image of you because in her eyes, you deserve better than the disrespect. When a girl speaks up to fight your corner, you know she's a true one who's got mad respect for you. Sign 9. She respects his boundaries, privacy, and differing viewpoints. A clear respect signal? When a girl doesn't overstep your boundaries or privacy, like she never pries for personal details you don't offer up freely, and she's totally cool with you having differing opinions or beliefs. It shows she sees you as an individual with your own comfort levels and ideals to be honored. She's not going to violate that by getting all up in your business uninvited. The fact she respects your space and perspective demonstrates maturity. She values you enough to not force her way past what you're willing to share or accept. It's her way of saying, "I respect you as a separate person, entitled to make your own choices about what's private or what you believe in." That's a level of consideration you can only have for someone you genuinely respect. When the girls in your circle practice consent and keep an open mind, it's an underrated sign of the high esteem they hold you in. If you found this video helpful, show some love by smashing that like button. It really helps out the channel. And if you want more value-packed content like this, be sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you won't miss out on future videos.